Are you struggling to add images to your HubSpot templates without messing up the layout? Don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you a simple and foolproof way to insert an image into your HubSpot template. Whether you're customizing an email, a landing page, or any marketing asset, this step-by-step 2025 guide will make it effortless. So stick with me until the end to avoid the common mistakes most people make. First, log into your HubSpot account and head over to the marketing or content section, depending on whether you're working on an email or a page template. Once there, open the template you want to edit. Now, look at the template layout. HubSpot's drag and drop editor makes this incredibly easy. On the left-hand panel, you'll see a list of modules. These are the building blocks of your template. Find the image module and drag it to the exact spot where you want your image to appear. Once placed, click on the image area to upload your file. You can either upload a new image from your computer or choose from your existing file manager library if you've already uploaded one before. After inserting the image, you can adjust its size, alignment, and add alternative text, also known as alt text, to improve accessibility and SEO. Make sure your image is optimized. HubSpot supports various formats like JPEG, PNG, and even GIFs for dynamic content. If your template uses a coded section instead of drag and drop, click on the section, choose Edit, and then select the image option from the Rich Text Editor toolbar. From here, insert your image the same way, either by uploading or selecting from your file manager. Finally, always preview your template to ensure the image displays perfectly across desktop and mobile. HubSpot provides a handy preview tool so you can make adjustments before saving and publishing, and that's it. You've just learned how to insert an image into a HubSpot template the right way. This method keeps your design clean, professional, and mobile-friendly. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and easy HubSpot tips. Got questions or want me to cover another HubSpot tutorial? Drop it in the comments below and I'll make it happen. Thanks for watching.